içine bak. Bak suyun içine bak. Bak bak bak.
Just snap. How did that snap? That is a
Especially with their
Straight ahead on that guy.
good snap.
Whoop. No, he's got a big mouth. What?
Ooh, the big guy. You're feeding the big guy.
That's what her face is like. Yeah, they live here. They're like, they're on, yeah.
They do?
Oh no, they don't get mess with the turtle. Hey, mama, mama, I'll bring you turtle food. I don't know. I mean,
All our birds have some injury that means they're not surviving on the roots. She's functionally blind. This is Eleanor. Eleanor and Franklin are great horned owls. What do you name the second female great horned owl? And we had one. She was older and she passed. But what do you name the second music? Very good, very good. That tells you a lot more about the volunteers than about the birds.
200 people watching this stupid video.
Really?
Jared was about crazy.
Would you?
Where did you get that toy?
Has a nice eyes. Oh my goodness. Oh,